Today we're breaking down the Curry 1 Low Flotro, little Sour Patch colorway on them. Let's go. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Zach here with Tamster's Kicks, and we are breaking down a fire Curry shoe. A very good job Under Armour did on these bad boys. It's the Curry 1 Low, the Flotros. We got that Curry 8, Curry 9 outsole on the bottom of these. These are nuts. The colorway's sick. I'm excited for them, so we're breaking them down today. If you guys haven't seen a basketball shoe review video from me before, we are going to break down traction, cushion, midsole, support, all that good stuff. I'll have my ratings at the end of the video. You guys can check that out. Skip ahead to there. You want to see that stuff in the middle, I'm going to show some B-roll, me kind of playing in the shoes. We got some close-up shots as well as me breaking down all the tech specs and stuff like that. So we're going to get into that today, but before we do, hit that subscribe button. Leave a like, comment what you guys think about these, any basketball shoes or shoes in general you guys want me to check out. I'd love to do that, so let me know, but let's go. So Under Armour did a little Flotro on the Curry 1s. They put that like Curry 8, Curry 9 old outsole on these, and they took out the old Curry 1 outsole, put the flow on these, and let me tell you, they are fire playing in. Like, hooping in with the Flotro on the 1 lows is nuts. So we are going to break that down, but this is the Sour Patch colorway. I also got them in the Curry 10s. They did a little pack with the 1s and the 10s. These ones are the 1s. They had a vibrant, I think it was like an orange colorway or something, red or, no, it was like camo. It was something weird. That was the first colorway. I did not like those. Saw these ones. I like the crazy vibrant, colors like this. I mean, Sour Patch are fire anyway, so these are the ones I copped, but let's break them down. Traction, we got that UA Flow outsole that we see on the Curry 8s, 9s, and 10s. So it appears Under Armour's trying to get this Flotro technology on a lot of their old Curry models. We have it on the 1s. They've retroed the 2s. I don't know if we're going to get the flow on the 2s. Nothing with the 3s yet, but we have the 4s. We got 8, 9, 10, and I've seen some other stuff that we might have some more coming soon, but just on the 1s so far, I think this is my favorite one, beside the Curry 10s, because it fits really well on the low top version. I don't know how much it would work with that high top, but the traction pattern with that flow technology here feels so good with this, with the upper they have with the Curry 1s, and I loved it. Love all the specs on this one, and that combination was so good. Cushion is that same UA Flow technology, super light, bouncy, and has some insane grip. You guys know, if you've seen any of my Curry recent Curry shoe video reviews, this is the best traction out there. It's durable, light, super grippy, insanely grippy. If you guys haven't seen me talk about it before, first time I played in them, I was literally when I would step, I'd kind of trip a little bit because you have to get used to this, but the ride is so comfy, so smooth, and it's just one of the best outsoles. The materials is a molded textile upper, which is lightweight and breathable. So the sock liner here and all around here is like a TPE kind of sock liner that helps you stay low to the ground, helps with low compression, helps you respond side to side, as well as that upper knit textile here. It's very nice. It keeps you locked in well, and I think one thing I really love about the materials and the cushion and everything is the combination of the sleekness and fit of the upper match so well with the flow here. And one thing that I usually don't like too much is when they attach tongues, and it is an attached tongue inside of here, but it's the tongue is more of a stretchy flexible mesh, and so it fits really well, and it doesn't restrict you on right here, on the Kobe 5s, it has that same thing where it is connected, but the tongue is a lot more firm. It's more of a fabric material, and it's not the best. I would prefer this mesh tongue on here. Those would go even more crazy, but to have that tongue here helps so well with the overall feel, traction, cushion, everything with the shoe. The fit is definitely true to size. Don't need to go up, don't need to go down. They fit very, very well. I'm a true to size, true 11, and these fit super well. I didn't have to double sock or anything, so just stay true to size. Finally, we got support, and support kills it on these for a low top. I mean, again, the synergy from bottom up, from the outsole to the cushion and the midsole to the mesh keeping you in with the tongue, all one unit. It just worked really well on these, and I don't know if they really expected it to work that well, because it almost worked better than like the 10s and stuff. Like the combination of that, it has really honestly shocked me how well that you can play in these ones. So I would look to pick these ones up. And I mean, people saying like support, you need a high top shoe. It's not, high tops are kind of more of a myth in my opinion. Because I roll my ankles maybe even more in high top shoes. I've had like the Kyrie 2s, high tops roll my ankle a ton in those, love those, but I think it's situational, depends person to person, but support for a low top, pretty good. Traction and cushion, both a 9.5 out of 10. It goes hand in hand with the UA Flow technology here, but one of the best I've ever played in, and I love it on these ones. 8.5 with the materials, they feel super nice, breathable, flexible, they fit very well. The combination here with that outsole, midsole too, it's just all combined so well, so that was that. And then we also have the fit, which is an 8 out of 10. That's a lot of the times the 8 out of 10 is what I give most of the best shoes, because it's pretty situational with how things fit, just depending on your foot. But I love the fit on them. They fit super true to size, and it was super comfy. Finally, support for low top, 8.5, pretty high. I love the way that this tongue keeps you locked in and keeps you flexible as well. You can tie them up super tight. You can leave a little loose room up here at the top if you want a little ankle wiggle room, stuff like that. But it just fits super well together. And in conclusion, like just the colorway, like the Sour Patch gummies, like it's a little textured to it too. It has kind of like that like little texture of like the Sour Patch Kids. Like it even has that to it. I think Under Armour just killed this design on these. They're so fire. The combination with the Flotro, they did an amazing job. Look to pick these up, $150 retail if you can. I think they have some more low Flotro colorways coming out too, but that's it for this video today, and we'll see you guys on the next one.